Welcome to today's episode. We are excited to have Professor Massimo Mitolo with us, a leading expert in electrical safety engineering. He is a full professor of electrical engineering at Avon Valley College, California, and a senior consultant at Engineering Systems Corporation. With over 140 publications, including several well regarded books, Dr. Mitolo brings a wealth of knowledge from both academia and industry. Today, he joins us to talk about his upcoming book, Principles and Practices of Electrical Safety Engineering. Professor Mitoro, thank you for being here. Welcome to the podcast.
Thank you for having me.
With that, I would like to ask you what inspired you to write this book and what importance it has in the current field of engineering.
Electrical safety engineering has been my focus for many decades now, and I observed how the growing complexity of the electrical systems, including now the renewable energy arena, had made very complicated and challenging the interaction of the electrical system. Um, so the idea is that introducing criteria to make a system safer would allow us to eliminate the inherent risks that are multiplying because of the high technology increase in electrical system, and therefore to make sure that workers and layman person are safer home and the place of work. So the idea to make sure that there is at least a common ground for professional engineers and the students to think of electrical safety as an important and crucial field of engineering.
With that, I would like to ask you what are some of the biggest challenges in ensuring electrical safety, and how does your book help in addressing them?
Well, the challenge it's the very rapid, quick pace of technology that might outpace the criteria and the standards for electrical safety. I hope that by making sure that the electrical designer can design out the problems in the design phase by analyzing the hazard and knowing the hazard and then applying the risk strategy to lower it, can help the resolution before anything can happen. So, and making sure the incident um, it's studied, understood in all the possible aspects. So I believe that is the key here.
Professor Pitolo, safety by design principles, as discussed in your book, how can they revolutionize the current approach to electrical systems?
Well, safety by design, it's a new paradigm. Hopefully not very new. I hope it's understood now that safety is not just a list of prudent actions to undertake or not to undertake, uh, getting closer to an energized object. But it's theory, it's application. So the design based on applicable standards, and in the absence of standards based on a good engineering criteria, it's truly the key here. In the past, it was thought that electrical safety was just a list of these prudent actions. I think that now the new challenge, the presence of new risks due to hazards of electrical issues, can open the door to a better view based on design, based on electrical criteria, based on the engineering. So I think that safety by design in our electrical field, it's truly the key to promote not only the compliance with applicable standards, but also the risk analysis, looking for the risk, analyzing the risk, and lowering the risk below a threshold that is deemed acceptable. That's the key of the safety by design.
Looking ahead, how do you see this book influencing innovation and practical applications in electrical safety? And what can readers expect from your future work in the field?
Oh, well, I have the hope, at least I can hope,
Mhm.
that the book can
Yeah, of
influence
course.
and impact in a
Mm,
positive way. Sometimes the electrical engineer might not know a new approach to tackle some of the problems. Maybe the book, hopefully, can give electrical engineers, professional engineers, some new input to see the problem, to analyze the issues based on the book, and maybe to develop more critical thinking and a more creative way of making sure the system is safe. I hope in the future I can go deeper. There are new challenges. Artificial intelligence might be one of them, and the complexity of the power grid opens the door to all sort of hazards and risks. Don't forget that electricity is everywhere.
yeah, of course.
It's something that we cannot live without, at least in the developing, unless there is an exception, unfortunately, in the developing countries. But electricity being everywhere means that everybody can interact with an electrical system. So the need for a good design, um, and I hope I can provide more and more criteria of designing safe system can help us, can help society as a whole to have a safer electrical systems.
Well, with that, Professor Mitolo, thank you for joining us today. Your
Thank you.
experience in electrical safety engineering and the importance of safety by design principles will provide valuable insights for both professionals and students in the field. We look
Thank you
forward
very
to the
much.
impact of your book and wish you a very, very great success.
Thank you very much. Same to you.
Thank you.